Most engineers think Kubernetes only manages pods and services. But what if you could teach it to manage databases, certificates, or your custom applications? That's exactly what custom resource definitions let you do. A custom resource definition, or CRD, is how you extend the Kubernetes API to support new resource types beyond the built-in ones like pods, services, and deployments. Think of it as creating your own custom object schema that Kubernetes will recognize and manage. When you define a CRD, you're essentially telling Kubernetes about a new type of resource you want to track. For example, instead of just managing pods, you could define a database resource type with its own properties like version, replicas, and backup schedules. This makes Kubernetes aware of your custom objects and lets you interact with them just like any native resource. The best part? CRDs follow all the standard Kubernetes API conventions. That means once you define a CRD, you can use kubectl to create, read, update, and delete your custom resources exactly like you would with pods or services. You get all the familiar commands like kubectl get, kubectl apply, and kubectl describe working with your custom resource types out of the box. But CRDs really shine when paired with controllers or operators. The CRD defines what the resource looks like, while a controller watches for changes and implements the actual behavior. This pattern powers tools like Cert Manager, which defines certificate resources and automatically handles renewal, or database operators like the Postgres operator, which lets you define database clusters as Kubernetes resources and handles provisioning, backups, and failover automatically. You could even use CRDs to manage custom application configurations specific to your organization. So remember, CRDs extend Kubernetes with custom resource types that work seamlessly with kubectl and enable powerful automation through controllers. Practice this concept at Interview Mentor. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.